guys, it's Alicia Nicole. I want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. Today we're going to do dieting with Alicia Nicole, or in the kitchen with Alicia Nicole. So I'm on a special diet thanks to CTRR Lifestyle. I'm going to tag them down below in the description bar for their YouTube channel and their Instagram. They've been helping me get this weight off and I'm so happy, and this is no gym required, okay? So I've lost about 30 pounds from March until June. Now I'm on the road to lose another 30 pounds by the end of the year. So we're doing it just eating a bunch of healthy foods, and right now I'm on a choline diet. A choline diet is very simple. It's a lot of greens, and I can't really get into it because I'm not a professional, and this is my disclaimer, but I have my guide that I'm following, and it's just a bunch of greens. It's going to clean my organs, my liver, and shred all of this fat off of me. Okay, so I'm going to show you what my lunch is like today and typically what I eat every single day. Hey guys, I didn't plan on doing a voiceover, but I thought it was important that I show you how to do this step here. If you don't know how to devein shrimp, it's super easy. I leave my shell on and the shrimp is already soft. I take a very sharp knife and I split down the back of the shrimp. And once it's open, you'll see the vein and all some little mushy stuff and you're just gonna pull that stuff out, rinse the shrimp, and it's done. For this amazing salad dressing, I'm just going to throw everything into the bowl. Honestly, I don't measure, guys. I just add a little bit as I go. So I'm just throwing in a dash of each ingredient, and I taste as I go, and that's how I know how much to put. It's all about how sweet you want it, how vinegary you want it. It's up to you, but just add all these ingredients together, and I promise you, you're going to have a flavor explosion on your salad. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys try it out at home. I promise you, you won't regret it. It's low carb, it's delicious. You're going to lose weight and feel great. Also, be sure to contact CTRR Legendary Lifestyle. I linked them down below in the description box. Please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for more videos. And I will see you guys next time. Love you guys.